First I've cut the baby corns in this shape, as you can see. To this I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and chili paste, 1 tablespoon of maida, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, salt to taste. Now we will mix all of this very nicely. To this we will add very small amount of water. And now again mix nicely. The baby corns are nicely coated, as you can see. Now we should fry them one by one. You can see that baby corns have turned slightly golden brown. We will fry them till it turns more golden in color. So the baby corns have turned golden brown in color. Now we will take it out of the pan. Now we will prepare the gravy, for which I have taken a fresh pan and heated some oil in it. Now we will add some chopped garlic and some chopped ginger and saute them nicely. Now we will add the onions. Now we will add some green chili split. Are now fried. We will not over fry them. We will fry them till they turn soft. Now we will add the carrots. The carrots are now done. Now we will add the capsicums. Now we will add the salt, sugar and some pepper. Mix them all. Now we will add the tomato sauce, soya sauce, now we will add some corn flour. Mix the corn flour. And now we will add some water. Now let the gravy boil and turn thick. The gravy is ready. Now we shall add the corns, the fried corns. The corns are already so much crispy. You can also have the corns as it is after frying them. They taste equally good. The mixing is done. Now let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes and then we will turn the flame off and our tasty chili baby corn is ready to serve. So the very tasty chili baby corn is ready to serve. It's a very good option for the vegetarian people, a very nice Chinese veg option. You can serve this with roti or rice and it is great to go. Children just love this recipe and trust me, this is very tasty. So I hope you will definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys. And if you like the recipe, please do come back and comment and let me know. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do share this video with your near and dear ones. Thank you.